Yes, my viewers and subscribers, please leave a comment in the comment section. Hit that like button. For my new viewers, hit that subscribe button. Turn your post notification on. Hit that like button so YouTube can recommend the video to more law-abiding citizens. And leave your comment in the comment section. Witness tells of 3 more murders in Klansman gang trial. A key prosecution witness in the trial of 33 alleged members of the notorious Klansman gang detailed the planning and the implementation of at least 3 gruesome murders in St. Catherine during testimony on Friday. In continuing to his days-old testimony in the Supreme Court, downtown Kingston, the witness claimed that the killings were ordered by Andre Blackman Bryan, the alleged leader of the gang's One Dan faction. The other faction is said to be run by the currently incarcerated Tesha Miller. The witness, who said he operated as Bryan's driver and banker for a gang, often collecting extortion money, testified that he was also involved in the planning and execution of numerous murders. He claimed that in 2017 he was driving on Mandela Highway in St. Catherine with Bryan when the alleged gang leader received a phone call from 2 men known to the driver. He claimed that Bryan put the phone on speaker and he heard the 2 men telling Bryan that a woman in Spanish Town bus park had caused one of their cronies to lose his life. According to the witness, plans to murder the woman took shape immediately. I rented the car from the extortion money. I went to warehouse to go pick it up. It was a white Toyota Axio. Andre Bryan told me to drive the car to March Pen Road to pick up a gentleman. A man by the name of Mackerel was sitting in the front seat. Mackerel started talking to him, the gentleman, telling him what he was going to do. He continued to the Life of Jamaica shopping center, the witness said. He told the court that after the woman was killed, I picked them up and drove towards Rivoli and we dropped off the gentleman. Asked whether he knew about other murders, the witness said that he knew about the killing of one of Bryan's rivals known to them as Ice. According to the witness, Ice was a top-tier member of Tesha Miller's faction of the gang. We went to go look for a gentleman in Linstead by the name of Ice. I don't know much about him, but he was one of Blackman's rivals. He was a top man in Tesha Miller's army, the witness told the court. He further claimed that in 2017, on orders from Bryan, he made contact with a member of the gang who was responsible for keeping their motor cars. The man, he said, got 2 cars, a Nissan AD wagon and a Nissan Tida, ready for gang members who traveled to a supermarket in Spanish Town where they killed a vendor. He said he drove to an area called Top Banks around noon that day to pick up 3 men who he named as Lloyd, Satan, and Cartel. When I arrived, they were waiting on me. When I arrived at Bucktown, I saw 2 young gentlemen. I never saw them before. Cartel and Satan got out of my car and the 2 gentlemen handed them 2 firearms. I leave them to go and pilot the road to make sure there was no police. The witness said, adding that he parked at a spot in Spanish Town. We saw the victim out there selling stuff, and Lloyd called Satan to tell him. The 2 gentlemen, Satan and Cartel, got out the car and walked towards the victim. Satan shot him multiple times and he fell on the ground. They ran back and got into the AD wagon and drove away. I drove out the Teda and headed towards Lariston, the witness told the court. According to the witness, Cartel and Satan went back to Rivali and crossed a river to go to Lariston, where he picked them up. On day 6 of the Klansman trial, the prosecution's first witness explained how the alleged gang members planned and executed the murder of a bus driver who discouraged the collection of extortion in a bus park in Spanish Town. 33 people, including one woman, are on trial for multiple offenses under the anti-gang legislation. Among them is alleged leader of the One Dan faction of the gang, Andre Bryan, aka Blackman. The witness, who says he was a banker of the gang and Bryan's personal driver, says the bus driver was murdered in the presence of police officers inside the bus park. He says members of the gang planned to kill that driver because he was encouraging other drivers not to pay extortion to the gang members. He says one of the gang members, he called Mackerel, said the driver, "Forget mash up." The witness says Bryan said he wanted to use one of the gang members, a man he called CJ, to carry out that hit. He says CJ was to dress up in khaki suit and pretend to be a student and murder the driver. He says Bryan ordered one of the gangsters to ready the duppy truck, a grey Nissan Teda. The prosecutor asked him to explain why that vehicle was so called. The witness said, "Cause every time it drive out is either a shooting or a murder." He says after that CJ boasted how he shot up the driver right in front of several police officers. The witness also gave details about the sole woman among the 33 accused standing trial. He told the court she was instrumental in the gang's plan to murder a man called Ice in Yorton. According to the witness, plans for the murder started with Bryan saying, "Run a program for Ice and him need a car to go down there for him." The witness says Ice was one of Bryan's rivals and what he called a top man for another alleged gangster. The witness says Stephanie, aka Muma, led them to an area of Yorton where Ice was believed to be. He also explained how the gang met up with another woman in an area of Spanish Town called Top Banks. That woman, the witness says, had a handbag with 3 guns to carry out that hit, but he says Ice was not found that night and they had to head back to Spanish Town.